Hello everyone, my name is Harry. Today I will talk to you about food trucks. Food trucks are trucks where people make and sell food. Each food truck has a kitchen inside. This food truck sells fish and chips. This food truck sells barbecue. This food truck sells chicken. This food truck sells pizza. This food truck sells Indian food. This food truck sells Japanese food. This food truck sells hot dogs. This food truck sells grilled cheese sandwiches. This food truck sells seafood. This food truck sells tacos. This food truck sells ribs. This food truck sells hamburgers. food truck, food truck, food trucks, food trucks go wherever there are crowds of people. The food can taste really good. Thank you for listening.
Okay, good to hear.